months of suspicions about Apple's next powerhouse laptop, the M5 MacBook Pro might just be days away from making its debut. And the biggest clue is Apple itself. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. The famous Apple insider Mark Gurman recently pointed out the entry-level 14-inch M4 MacBook Pro is showing unusually long shipping days on Apple's site, which is now delayed to October 23rd to 28th. That kind of supply squeeze is a classic sign that a new model's coming, and Apple's just clearing the shelves. What makes it even more interesting is that the M4 iPad Pro is also running low on stock. Both devices are rumored to be getting M5 chip upgrades, and their shared scarcity hints that Apple may be prepping to drop them at the same time. But don't expect a big redesign just yet, because the M5 MacBook Pro is expected to have a minor spec bump with the M5 chip as the headline change. The more dramatic upgrades, like an OLED display and new chassis, are still likely reserved for the M6 MacBook Pro, which is expected in 2026. There's also growing chatter that only the base level M5 MacBook Pro might launch this year, with the M5 Pro and M5 Max models following in 2026. The fact that only the base M4 MacBook is backordered supports this theory. If that's true, it could push the long-awaited OLED MacBook even further, possibly to 2027. And with no major event rumored for October, Apple will likely roll out the M5 quietly, maybe just by a press release. Although it's not flashy, but it's still marking the arrival of Apple's next generation silicone and offers a sneak peek of what's coming next. Are you waiting for the M5 MacBook to drop? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.